Amazing morning po sa lahat ng nandito sa ating Zoom meeting. Introduce ko lang po ang sarili ko, short introduction about myself. Ako po si Belinda Ruiz. Paano ko po nalaman itong company at saka yung products? A friend of mine introduced me dito sa Bardi way back sa last June 2023. Sabi niya, kasi marami siyang health issues, sabi niya maganda daw ang Bardi. So, nag-member daw siya. So, subukan ko rin daw kasi maraming mga benefits sa health. Sabi ko, why not? Sabi ko, subukan. Kasi ako po, hindi po ako mahilig mag-take as much as possible ng mga gamot. Mas gusto ko pang yung natural, yung mga supplements, yan, mas gusto ko yan. Pero I am taking blood pressure pill at saka small dosage, low dosage ng cholesterol, binigyan ako ng doctor ko. So, bumili ako sa kanya ng 2 boxes. Way back nung um, June 2023. Tapos, ang napansin ko, the first na nabago sa akin kasi I am so constipated, hindi ako everyday nag-move ng bowel. So, napansin ko, everyday na ako pupunta sa banyo. So, gumanda ang pakiramdam ko. Tapos, yung asawa ko, binigyan ko rin siya, ganun din ang naramdaman niya. Tapos, naubos namin yung 2 boxes. Sabi ko sa friend ko, naubos na namin yung 2 boxes. Sabi niya, why don't you become a member para magkaroon ka ng discount? Sabi ko, okay. So, sinabi niya sa akin yung package na kinuha ko. Yun nga, ang silver package lang po ang kinuha ko. Back then, June 2023. Tapos, gumanda na lalo ang pakiramdam ko. Last November 2024, ang last laboratories ko, all my blood works are normal. And yung sugar ko din normal. And yung blood pressure normal. Tapos yung cholesterol normal siya lahat. So, thank goodness sa tulong ng pure organic barley, napakaganda. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ko. At the same time, tinutuloy ko na rin ang paggawa ng business. I am building a network. So, ano po ba itong company na natin? Company po natin is I Am Worldwide. Ang company po natin ay merong acronym na HOPE. We are called Home of Hope. H stands for health, O for opportunity, P prosperity for everyone. Dito po, pinaprioritize yung health natin. And second is, we are being given a stable source of income. Di po ba ang ganda ng company? Sabi nga po ni Bill Gates, ng founder ng Microsoft, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Totoo naman po ba yan? Di ba ngayon, we are in the information age na. So, meron daw po tayong 2 types of business. One is traditional, the other one is non-traditional. Dito po sa traditional, we need big capital, we need rent, we have to pay rent, we have to pay electricity, water, labor, and miscellaneous expenses. Pero sa non-traditional like our business, ng I Am Worldwide, we don't need big capital. We don't need to pay rent, electricity, water, and labor, and miscellaneous expenses because we can do the business in the comfort of our homes. Sino po ba itong mga to? Sila po ang I Am Worldwide ambassadors. The company, I Am Worldwide, is paying them to promote our products. So, hindi na po tayo mahirapan mag-market ng products kasi this well-known personalities and actors and actresses, they are the ones promoting the products for us. So, ang laki po ng tulong sa atin. Di po ba? Once we have our own traditional business, tayo pa rin magmamarket. Ito po si Maritoni Fernandez, our Barley Queen. Si Piolo Pascual, actor. Heart Evangelista Escudero. Alden Richards, Marian Rivera, Dantes. Ji Chang-wook, Korean actor. Andres Mulak, Atasha Mulak, Carlos Yulo, Small Lode, and Senator Robin Padilla. These people are well-known personalities and they will not take their names para i-promote ang products, but they are also using the products, and that some of them are also distributors. Let us listen to Small Lodi.
I Am Amazing Barley helps me take on the day with confidence. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia, packed with vitamins and minerals. So guys, experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley. Get na!
And si Marian Rivera Dantes din, at saka si Mariel Padilla, mga well-known actresses. Tsaka si Maria Leonor Robredo, politician naman dyan sa Philippines. Si Mariel Padilla, she is selling pure organic barley sa TikTok. So, she has already earned a whole lot by doing the business in TikTok pag bebenta ng amazing pure organic barley. Kaya ngayon siya ay Ruby Elite Executive na. Ito naman si Krisha Venancio. She is also selling pure organic barley in TikTok. Nakabenta na siya ng 21,800 boxes of barley. So if the profit is 500 each kasi 50% discount, 10.9 million. I think this is not updated already. And she has also a 14.1 million earnings din sa kanyang dashboard sa portal niya sa I Am Worldwide aside from selling barley. So imagine, she has already earned like 24 million and probably that's more than that. Ito po ang mga founders ng I Am Worldwide. Allen Marvin Eder is the president and Aika Lorraine Uy is the vice president. Together, they have combined experience in network marketing of more than 20 years. So they have polished the system of I Am Worldwide, the ins and outs, and the ups and downs, pinaganda na nila, and they are pro-distributor because they are so generous people and they are God-fearing. So, kaya po ako tumali dito. The reason why I joined is nakita ko ang founders, they have integrity, they have credibility. So, I joined. Ang company po has received some of awards. It has received a Best Trusted Health and Beauty Supplement. That is an international awards in 2019. It has a Super Brands Award, Philippines Choice. And the company po is just 7 years and counting. So it is still in the young stage pa lang siya. So last October 20, 2024, nag-held ang company ng 7th anniversary sa MOA Arena. And every year, the company is giving away millions of pesos sa mga distributors by giving them by drawing. So may mga draw if you join the anniversary. Diyan din ipinamimigay yung isa sa mga bonuses, yung Project 001. So, hindi lang hundreds of thousands of pesos, millions of pesos po ang pinamimigay. So the company is just 7 years last year. It will be turning 8 years this year. So, it is still in the pioneering stage. So, sabi nga, who is the #1 network marketing company in the Philippines? It's I Am Worldwide. So, when it comes to legalities, the company is registered with the Bureau of Internal Revenue. It is registered also with the Securities and Exchange Commission. It has a main office in City Center Building, San Juan, Ortigas Avenue. Diyan po ang main office 2. Diyan nagpa-purchase ng products. Diyan din po nag-held ng mga meetings. At diyan nyo rin makikita ang mga top mentors. May mga pictures pa ng mga cars nila. So, better kung nandyan po kayo sa Philippines, better na mag-visit sa office para makita nyo yung kagandahan ng opisina. Meron din po tayong mga local offices at saka mga international offices. International offices sa Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Italy, USA in New York, at saka Japan. Ang local offices po is Bacolod, Baguio, Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Cebu, Pampanga, Davao, Dumaguete, Isabela, La Union, Naga, Tuguegarao, Las Piñas, at meron po isa open sa Rizal. Dito po, hindi po tayo nagbabayad ng mga expenses sa mga offices, but we can use the offices of IM Worldwide. Today's reality. Sabi po dito, so many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health, which is true naman po ba, di ba? When we are still teenagers, we have the time, we are healthy, but we don't have the money kasi we are still students. When we became adults, we don't have time kasi we are working. We are still healthy kasi bata pa, and we have the money kasi we have works, we have jobs. When we become elderly, we have the time kasi retired na siguro. But we are not healthy anymore and we don't have the money because we spend it already sa mga medicines at saka hospitalizations. Ito po si Maritoni Fernandez, si Miss Maritoni Fernandez. She was an actress way back in the 20s. She was diagnosed with a breast cancer on April 4, 2001 with only 5-year chance of survival. Back then po, when you are diagnosed with cancer, parang it's a death sentence na. So she discovered barley on the internet and took it along with her chemotherapy. So she's now cancer survival. This is her picture. They removed 15 nodes from her, portacat niya, and then she has friends there when she was in that chemotherapy, but then some of her friends did not make it. She lost her hair. She is really determined to live kasi meron siyang 6-year-old daughter that time. So, syempre, as a mother, she's determined to live kasi nga sa anak niya. So the doctor, her oncologist said that she cannot have a kid anymore kasi nga na-affected na ang kanyang reproductive organ. But after years of taking pure organic barley, nag-normal ang kanyang menstrual period. So, nagkaroon pa siya ng another boy. And the boy's name is Liam and he is the miracle baby of Maritoni Fernandez. So let's watch this video where the barley comes from Australia.
I am Maritoni Fernandez and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from Murray River too. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
Yeah, we're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. IM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutrigreen, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
I'm truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutrigreen barley.
Let's watch these video testimonies of some of those who have used barley.
Meron po akong PCOS for 10 years. So before po, irregular yung menstruation ko. And then na-discover ko po itong barley. After 2 months taking barley continuously, naging regular po yung menstruation. Thanks to this amazing product. And after that po, itong last April 2019, discover po namin na clear na po yung PCOS ko and I'm now 6 months pregnant. Nagkaroon ako ng bacterial meningitis. Sa isang napaka-critical pero sobrang painful daw ako kasi sobrang lakas ng tulog sa akin ng body kasi parang ko na talaga ang body.
boosts your energy, and detoxifying cleanse your mind. You really have to experience it.
Ito pa rin po yung ibang testimonies ng ibang tao na may high blood pressure, na gumaling, may goiter testimony, tapos may gallstone removal without surgery, ovarian cyst, kidney failure testimony, lung cancer testimony, tapos yung polycystic ovaries, siya nga yung kanina nagsalita. Tapos ito naman yung baby, may leukemia siya. October 2018. And then, last chemo na niya, he's now cancer-free. Oh, praise the Lord na naka-recover tong baby. Ito naman po our very own, our mother mentor, Naomi Manalansan. She has endometriosis before at saka nagkaroon din siya ng appendix cancer. Siya po ay naputulan ng 12 inches na bituka at saka nagkaroon siya ng 23 bukol. So, because of barley, gumaling po siya, praise God. At ngayon, she is doing well, continuing doing the business at taking barley. Ito naman po ang couple that they are trying to have kids for 11 years, but they failed thanks to pure organic barley. After taking it, they have now 2 barley babies. They call them barley babies, a boy and a girl. Ito naman po, she's diagnosed with brain tumor, OFW from Kuwait. But then she became well thanks to barley. Ito po si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. He was a greatly renowned scientist and pharmacist, along with being the founder and owner of Japan's largest pharmaceutical company at that time. His research shows that the green leaves of the embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on a single source here on Earth. Kaya napaka-bisa po talaga ng pure organic barley. It has 68 micronutrients. Nutrients found in barley leaves, 17 types of minerals, 17 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 17 types of amino acids. At saka ang barley po natin, it's FDA approved, it's NASA certified, the Australian Giving certified organic, halal for our Muslim brothers, and it's distributed by Herb All, the company of Maritoni Fernandez. Ang barley po ay may antioxidant value siya na 25,500. So compared to others, the prunes, raisins, kale, spinach, raw, at grapes, hindi pa rin sila aabot, hindi pa rin sila aabot sa antioxidant value ng barley. At saka ang barley po natin is 37 times mentioned in the Bible. So back then, people are already taking barley. Sino po ang pwedeng uminom ng barley? Who can drink barley? Babies, kids, breastfeeding women, pregnant women, teenagers, adults, elderly, at saka pets. Even pets can take barley too. Ano po ba ang mga conditions responsive to barley? Marami po. May anemia, arthritis, asthma, blood pressure, breast cancer, bronchitis, cancer, cholesterol, constipation, diabetes, endometriosis, gallstone, goiter, hepatitis, high blood, hypertension, ang dami po, insomnia, kidney disease, kidney stones, leukemia, liver problem, madami po siya, prostate cancer, psoriasis, tuberculosis, stroke, thyroid problem, tumor formation, and ulcer. Meron daw po tayong 4 stages of natural healing. The first stage is cleansing. Our body is being cleansed, especially the digestive system, to prepare our body for easy absorption of vitamins and minerals. Kasi po ba, di po ba ang pagkain natin dumadaan sa digestive system? So, kini-cleanse ng barley ang ating digestive system to prepare the absorption of vitamins and minerals. That's the first stage. The second stage is detoxification. Your body is eliminating the toxins that has been built up in your body that causes different diseases and problems. Kasi po ba, di po ba ang dami mga toxins sa ating mga katawan? Hindi naman natin nalilinis ang loob ng katawan natin, unlike yung labas, nakakaligo tayo every day, but the inside of our body, hindi naman natin malilinis. This pure organic barley po, makakatulong sa atin. Take note, if you ever feel some changes in the first few days, it is normal. It is called body recovery reaction, and it already means that your body is in the healing process. Kasi po, yung mga toxins sa loob ng katawan natin, they think that they are really there. Kumbaga, yan ang residence nila, pero hindi. Minom tayo ng barley, so napapaalis sila, nakikleanse, nadidetoxify, kaya medyo merong konting reaction. Ang tawag doon, body recovery reaction. So, it's normal. Ang third stage po is nutrients assimilation. Our body is ready to absorb the nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, giving your immune system a boost. So, the reason why we are acquiring diseases is because we lack the nutrients in our body. Lack of nutrients will lead to decreased immune system, decreased antibodies to fight free radicals, viruses, and bacteria. So, ang third stage po, we will be getting immune system. Our immune system is given a boost, kaya hindi tayo madaling magkasakit. Ang fourth stage is cell regeneration, especially to those who are having chemotherapy, kasi di po ba pag nag-chemo, it's not just the bad cells ang pinapatay, even the good cells. So the damaged cells are being repaired from free radicals to bring back to its normal system to prevent malfunction of the organs. So those are our health concern po natin na matutulungan tayo ng pure organic barley. So now we go to opportunity, prosperity. So we have 4 simple steps to earn here. Number 1, avail our packages. We have different packages. I will discuss it in a little while. Tapos, the second, use and share the products. Kasi di po ba kailangan natin to be the product of our own products? Kailangan may testimony tayo para ma-share natin sa iba na natulungan tayo ng ating product, especially ang pure organic barley. And so we can share it in the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, at saka sa ating ding mga friends. We can share it sa mga kaibigan natin, sa kung sino pang mga warm market natin. Unahin natin yung warm market, mga kakilala natin. Tapos, number 3, learn the business. Kailangan po natin pag-aralan din ang business. Kahit naman po sa business tayo pumasok, kahit na sa traditional business, we have to learn the business para malaman natin kung paano natin i-promote ang ating business sa ating mga kakilala. Kailangan natin pag-aralan. Lalo na itong I Am Worldwide Business, napakaganda po ng kanilang compensation plan. Pag natutunan na natin yan, then we can earn. Number 4. Ito po ang number of ways to earn here in I Am Worldwide. Number 1 is retailing, yung pagbenta-benta. Number 2, wholesale commission. Ito po, number 1 and number 2 are active income. From 3 hanggang 13, these are called passive income. Sales match commission, infinity commission, check match commission, uni-level commission, residual sales match commission, just for you bonus, give me 5 bonus, uni-level leadership commission, project 001, car, house and lot, travel incentive, and luxury incentive. So, i-discuss ko po ang ilan dito kasi kung i-discuss natin lahat, baka abutin tayo ng matagal. So, let's start with our different packages. Ito po ang aming Jade package. We call this our VIP package. Ito po ay 198,800 pesos. It is 200 boxes of pure organic barley. Kaya po siya tinawag na VIP kasi mayroon po siyang 50 boxes na free worth 50,000. So, ang halaga po ng package is 250,000 but you are going to pay only 198,800. Meron din pong ibang mga mga options here. Kaya lang, kung iisipin nyo po, 198,800 is expensive. Pero kung business po, hindi na po yan expensive. Kasi, mag-put up po kayo ng business ngayon, kahit na little sari-sari store, I think you will spend about 300,000. Aside, that's the products lang. Aside from yung mga rent, mga electricity. So, at saka po, one-time investment lang dito sa I Am Worldwide. But, you will earn a whole lot. Paulit-ulit po ang pag-earn. So, ito po, merong just for you bonus, ang Jade package. Pag halimbawa, nag-avail kayo ng Jade package, tapos nakapag-refer kayo din ng Jade package, sabi, 4, just for you. Kung bago pa lang naman po kayo, tutulungan namin kayo mag-explain, basta magbigay lang kayo ng mga taong kakausapin habang inaaral niyo pa yung business. So, every time na kapag-refer kayo ng isang Jade, meron kayong 20,000 wholesale package commission. 20,000 times 4, that's 80,000. May sales match commission na 10,000 each kasi dalawa nag-match. So 10,000 times 2, 20,000. Total is 100,000. But meron just for you bonus. Ito po ang just for you bonus ng 4 na Jade is 200,000. So the total commission is 300,000. Agandahan po dito, unlimited. Hindi po sinabing 10 na kayo na just for you, tama na, hindi. Unlimited hanggat kailan nyo magagawa. Hanggat meron kayong 4 na Jade, the company will give you just for you bonus at no time frame. Hindi po ito na within certain period of time kailangan magawa ninyo. Wala pong time frame. Pero syempre, mas maganda kung mas magawa ninyo ng mas mabilis. So, ayan po ang Jade package. Meron pa po tayong next package, Platinum package naman, 112,000 pesos. It is 112 boxes ng barley or some options din pwede nyo gawin. Wala na po itong free. Halimbawa po nag-avail kayo ng Platinum, tapos nakapag-refer din kayo ng 4 na Platinum kasi sabi may just for you siya. Every time na may isang Platinum kayo, may 9,000. So 9,000 times 4, 36,000 ang wholesale package commission. Ang sales match commission is 8,000 each one. So, 8,000. Dalawa ang nag-match. So, 16,000. 52,000 ang total. Pero may just for you bonus din ang platinum. Pagkano? 100,000. So, the total na makukuha ninyo for the 4 platinum package na na-refer ninyo is 152,000. Ang total commission. At unlimited din at saka no time frame. Meron pa pong next is the gold package. Ang gold package po is 44,800, 45 boxes ng barley. Wala na rin po itong free. Mayroon din pa mga options kung anong option ang gusto ninyo. Meron din po itong just for you bonus. So, ang just for you bonus po, every time na magre-refer kayo ng isang gold, kung naka-gold package kayo is 3,500 times 4, 14,000. Nag-match siya, may dalawa, 3,000 each. So, 6,000 ang dalawang match. 20,000 ang total. And just for you bonus po ng 4 na gold package is 40,000. Total nyo is 60,000. Total commission. Unlimited at saka no time frame. So, meron din po kaming tinatawag na silver package. Ito po ay hindi na po siya executive associate package na po siya. 16,800 ang kanyang halaga, 17 boxes ng barley. At dito po ay hindi po ito 4, hindi just for you. Give me 5. Kailangan po 5 ang ma-refer ninyo para mabigyan kayo ng give me 5 bonus. Each time na makapag-refer kayo ng silver, kung naka-silver package din kayo, ay meron kayong 1,500 na ibibigay ng company. So, 1,500 times 5, 7,500. May nag-match na dalawa, 1,000 each match. So, 2,000 sa dalawang match. So, 9,500. Mayroon kayong give me 5 bonus na 15,000. So, ang total na commission ninyo is 24,500. Unlimited din at saka no time frame. I-compare po natin ang mga bonuses na binibigay ng bawat package. Kung naka-Jade package kayo, which is the best package, kung may 4 na Jade kayo na refer, you will get 300,000. Kung may apat na platinum kayo na refer, you will get 152,000. Kung may apat na gold, 60,000. Kung may 5 silver, 24,500. So, makuha ninyo lahat ng mga bonuses once you are a Jade package holder. Kaya, kung kaya lang din po ay Jade package na ang kunin ninyo. Kasi ito po, ang business na po na to is long term. Hindi po ito yung ano lang, yung ayun lang. This is long term business. So, better na get the best package, the VIP package, Jade. Ang platinum naman po, once you get the platinum package, tapos may refer kayo na apat na Jade, hindi nyo makukuha yung 300,000. 152,000 lang. Kasi yan lang yung package na binayaran ninyo. May apat na platinum kayo, 152,000. Yung apat na gold, you can get the 60,000. At saka 5 silver, you can get 24,500. Kung naka-gold naman po kayo, nakapag-refer kayo ng apat na Jade. Kasi you cannot tell kung sino ang magsasali under you. Kung anong, pag naintindihan nila yung business, napaliwanag ng maigi sa kanila, lalo na yung ibang mga business-minded at saka talagang they wanted to do the business, pwede silang kumuha ng Jade. So, 60,000 lang makukuha ninyo. Kahit na apat na platinum, 60,000 lang din. Kung naka-gold kayo, makukuha ninyo yung 60,000 kasi yan yung package ninyo. To be fair, kasi yun lang naman ang binayaran. Kinuha ninyo, binayaran ninyo. Apat na silver, makukuha nyo yung 24,500. Kung naka-silver lang kayo, walang just for you ang silver. Meron lang siyang give me 5 na 24,500. So, mako-compare nyo po dyan kung saan ang mas maganda talaga if you really wanted to do the business at saka mababawi naman yung puhunan ninyo kasi may products naman kayo. So, aside from the products, ito po bonuses lang to na binibigay ng company. So, ang galing po, ang generous po ng company natin. So, no time frame yan at saka unlimited. Ito po example, si Jean Mantala, isa din sa mga diamond mentors natin. Hindi na po ito updated. Siya po naka-avail na siya ng 9 times. Give me 5. 220,500. 7 times just for you ng gold. 420,000. 2 times just for you ng platinum. 304,000. 2 times ng jade. 600,000. So, this is not updated na kasi tagal na rin ito. So, mas malaki pa ang nakuha niya dyan. So, meron din po tayong tinatawag na rebates, 1%. Kasi kung member na tayo, ang 1 box ng barley is 500 kasi may 50% discount na tayo. So, 1% ng 500 is 5 pesos. Ang liit po ba, di ba? 5 pesos. But this rebates is lahat ng nag-purchase under your organization, meron kayong 1%. Eh kung ilan yung, halimbawa, meron kayong 1,000 na na members. Tapos nag-purchase ng 500 na each box 500 pesos. Marami na yun pag kinumpute. Like this one, sa isang buwan, ang uni-level commission niya is 105,000. 100,000 na. 100,000 yung kanyang uni-level commission. Project 001. Ito naman po, just purchase 3,000 worth of products to qualify in our monthly draw. So, every month, nagdo-draw para sa Project 001, ginaganap po ito sa event. At each event, nagdo-draw last October 20, nag-draw ng mga Project 001. 3 million ang halaga ng isang Project 001 each month. October 2023, 3 million. November 3.1. December 3.2. January 2024, 3.3. February 2024, 3.2. March 3.2. Bibili lang kayo ng 600 worth ng 3,000 worth ng products to qualify for the monthly draw. Kung sa pure organic barley, 6 na boxes. So, yan po. Meron ding travel incentive. Marami na po nabigyan ng ganitong incentive. Merong Holy Land, merong Europe Tour, Dubai, Korea, Indonesia, Japan. Marami na pong nakaka-avail ng ganyan. Meron po tinatawag na unlimited spillovers. Bakit po? Why do you need to start now? Meron po kaming unlimited spillovers. Halimbawa, we only have one account policy. So, halimbawa ako yon, nag-join na ako. Tapos, under me, may mga tao mag-join. Tapos, you nag-join ka rin. You said na mag-join ka na ngayon. Which is better. Kasi naka-position ka na doon. We call it positioning din. Tapos, under you, may mga mag-join din. So, lahat ng mga mag-join under you, meron niyang equivalent na, ang package merong equivalent na mga spillover points. Sabi mo hindi ka pa mag-join. So, saan ka na mapupunta? Mapupunta ka na po doon sa baba. But, you said that mag-join ka na, which is better. So, ang each package po na makukuha ng mga taong under you, sa Jade, may 5,000 points, Platinum 4,000 points, Gold 1,500, Silver 500. Yan po ay mapupunta ninyo since nauna kayo sa kanila. Wala po ibang pupuntahan yan, kundi mapupunta sa inyo. So on your kabilang side, meron na kayong nakaabang na mga points, which is, it will be converted to peso kasi 1 point po is 1 peso. You need just to work out the other side para mag-match, magkaroon kayo ng sales match. So napakaganda di po ba? So, 1 point is equivalent to 1 peso. Sabi nga po ni Uhuru Kenyatta, if you really love your children, get a business. Former President of Kenya, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. Dito po sa I Am Worldwide, yung account niyo po sa I Am Worldwide, pwede ninyong ipamana sa mga anak ninyo o sino man yung pwede ninyong pamanahan. Kasi po, pag sa employment, hindi po natin pwedeng sabihin sa owner ng company na i-hire yung anak natin kasi tayo lang nakakaalam ng skills na trabaho natin. So better get a business, not a job. So dito po sa I Am Worldwide, yun nga, pwede ninyong ipamana. Ito po ang verse namin na iwanan sa inyo, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. Yan lang po. And my name is Belinda Ruiz. I am an agent of hope and I am worldwide. Thank you po.